Good morning, everyone. Today, June 23rd, 2022, Thursday. We look at the market overview from Omaha, Nebraska, USA's Microsoft, Apple, so Tesla, Amazon. Though, kind of mixed match a little bit. The markets will move really slow with a little tiny green for today. And we can tell in the oil, like XOM, those in energy and oil areas getting very red, and it's really slow for today. As mean today or tomorrow do not touch the oil anymore, even though because the federal get low attack for oil in like 3 months, and that's pretty good deal, but that's not stable at all. Keep that in mind. And especially Amazon, like, costs $100 a share, and right now 108, not just around a week, but based on that, like 8%, not even 10% in a week. That's a little slow. It's better to use Tesla, and you can make a lot of money on it. So crude oil, run around 105 to 103 because the tax lower that, so you can add $12 on, and you can find out that's the real price of the oil right now. Like gas, like natural gas, like reduced a little bit. Gold dropped $7 for an ounce. Silver dropped 0.27. Corn with soybean, sugar, and coffee drop a little bit. This corn dropped 18. That's pretty good, because when oils went down, a lot of them, everything kind of down. Especially S&P 500 mini gain of 29 cents, and Nasdaq gain of like over 100 points. It's running around 0.55 to 0.60%. So this option chart, we can focus on WKSP or ADI. So that's pretty cheap and easy to buy. You can call WKSP 0.1. This means 10 cents. This spike going to be in July 15, 2022, and ready is 0.5. You can call them around October or December. That'd be good. 0.5, 0.6, and you make pretty good money on that. PPL, that's okay. Price in August 19 is 0.3. That's not too bad. So anyway, and good morning, our trader again, is stock reporting in 7 a.m. Central Time. So we can tell US dollars kind of up a little bit, just a few seconds, but they kind of swing up and down a little bit. But anyway, crude oil right now is 104. Like, even though just a few seconds, a few minutes, they can swing down around. That's why the range for today is 105 to 103 in crude oil. Please watch them out. So finance up 23 ticks. That's pretty good. Indicate is higher. Indicates higher than what the stock is supposed to be. Goes higher, and gold trading down. That doesn't affect anything much. That's just more than like sources of every country around the world. So oil price kind of affect a lot in the stock industries nowadays. That's mean on stock market. That's pretty easy to understand. When oil going up, stock go down, and for down, stock go up. There's different direction. So this pay we can tell in TSLA, Tesla. So the cap drop a little bit, $733 billion. And we can tell the lowest one is 620 and the highest one is $1,243. And this range around there like 701 to 737, 740. That's pretty good. So if you want to buy the Tesla, go ahead and buy it from 715 down to 705, even though $700 for a share. It's full custom around under 710, even the 700. That's the main order. And the cash up order get them around 715. And now we have MACD and RSI. So you want to know about that, you have to learn and have really good knowledge to read those signal lines. So the income of Tesla is $18.7 billion in the last 3 months, a little lower than 6 months ago. But anyway, for $18 billion for a company in 3 months, that's a huge number. And I mean, revenue is really high too. And those net income, and the bad one when you see is net income non-controlled interest, just $38 million. Us mean those deductible, they have to pay the company, they have to fix it, have to buy the new stuff, the technical, like that's money to maintain. And the Tesla going to be up today because Tesla is lower their price, 1,300 to 1,200. But if you have the employee or know someone work in Tesla, you can get the discount to $2,000 for a car. So EV car is the most biggest one. Like Tesla is the biggest in the EV. That's name is king of the EV car. And now we know who we need to hang with. So REV, and when you get by the REV, Rivian. So this one you can buy them around 7.5 down to $7. So if you buy TD, you can get some at 7.5, 7.6. If you get them in by the C, 7.2, even $7. That's the focus price. So V1 right now is around 7.7, 7.6. Even though they jumped sometime to 7.8, 7.85, and yesterday it's go to over 8. So the cap is minus M or M minus, whatever you want to say, $443 million, and highest one is $17, and lowest one is just over $1. And one day they can rank around 7.52 to 9.89. That's mean over $2.30, over $2. That's mean you can get them around 50 cents. That's mean right now you can buy around 7.5, 7.2, and you can sell them around $8. You make around 80 cents to 50 cents a share. That's be awesome. So 1,000 shares, you get $500, around $400-500. That's easy. So, and the only thing you just pay like $7,000 to, even though to get $500. I don't think that's a bad deal at all. So the revenue is going to be over $400 million for those 3 months. So this one cannot compare with Tesla, but still pretty good looking number. And the profits, the cost of revenue, and operating expensive, and the selling, it's not that bad at all. That's pretty good looking number. Focus on the market today. Thank you very much. Have a good day. See you guys tomorrow.